Mr. Moore. Today we have another student video to ask us to evaluate the following geometric sum of k equals 0 to 10 and 2 over 3 set to the power of k. So we have s sub n equals a 1 minus r set to the power of n over 1 minus r. Our a equals 2 over 3 set to the power of 0 because we are our k equals 0 here, and that equals 1. Our n is 10 plus 1 equals 11 because we're going to 10 and we're starting at 0, so we have to add the 1 there, and then our ratio is 2 over 3. So then when we plug it in, we get this, and then we want to set our 2 to the power of 11 and a 3 to the power of 11, which is going to give us 2048 over 177,147. And when we subtract that by 1 here, what we can do is we can write our 1 as the 177,147 over itself, which will give you 1. And how I wrote it here is negative 2048 over 177,147 plus that, which is going to be the same thing as this, which is just going to give us a fraction. So it gives us this fraction here. And then what we have to do is we do a keep change flip. So it's going to be, instead of 1 over 3 on the bottom, it's going to be 3 over 1. It's going to multiply the 3 times the top there. That's going to give us our final answer of 525,297 over 177,147. And then we're going to go to our next question here, which asks us to determine if the following series converges or diverges, and also asks us to state which test we're using. So for this one, I'm using the divergence test, and we have k equals 0 to infinity, k to the 6th divided by 5k to the 6th plus 3. And basically what you want to do here is divide everything by the top term. So it's going to be k to the 6th divided by k to the 6th equals 1, and then 5k to the 6th divided by k to the 6th equals 5. And then we have our 3 over k to the 6th, and this approaches infinity. So as it approaches infinity, this term's going to get really, really big, and it's going to be just 0 here. So that is equal to 1 over 5 plus 0, which is just 1 over 5, which does not equal 0. So this test diverges. Thank you.